So you have heard people talk about a shot timer for firearms training and drills, and you want to know what exactly is a shot timer and what's the point of using one. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what a shot timer does and why you need one to build the skills to win a gunfight. What is up, guys? If you are new here, my name is Workman, and I'm on a mission to give you the skills, the tools, and the mindset to better protect yourself and your family. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button down below so that you don't miss a video. Today, I'm going to share with you exactly what a shot timer does and how it can help you develop those skills that are needed to win a gunfight. But first, before we jump right into it, if you are new to concealed carry, I want to give you something that will really help you out, and that is my free guide to concealment. It's basically everything I wish I knew when I first started carrying a gun, and I want you to have it for free. So go check that out down in the description. All right, so when we talk about range tools to help us improve as protectors, a key part of improving our skills is measurement. Targets, for instance, are tools that we use to measure our accuracy. We shoot at the target and then we examine what the target can tell us. Then we compare where we were last time with where we were this time. By the way, all the targets that I use for training, I get from Baker Targets. So go check them out at bakertargets.com. So a shot timer is just another training tool that allows you to measure your progress in order to improve. Because that's what we want out of training, right? We want to improve. And in order to improve a skill, we first have to be able to measure it. A shot timer allows you to measure one of the most important skills in defensive shooting: speed. Speed is absolutely crucial in winning a gunfight. Now, this is my RangeTech shot timer, and this is the one that I use every time I'm at the range training or teaching a class. I chose the RangeTech shot timer because it's actually really reasonably priced, and I love that it connects to my phone. All right, so the first way a shot timer helps you measure your speed is by measuring your draw to first shot. This is the time that it takes you to draw your gun and fire your first shot on target. To set this up on the RangeTech, I set my par time at around 4 seconds and set the start time between 1 and 4 seconds on random. This means that I don't know when the timer will beep, but when I hear the beep, I draw and fire my first shot. Now I can look at my phone and see what my draw to first shot time was. This tells me exactly how fast I can get my gun out of the holster and get effective shots on target. The second way that a shot timer measures your speed is your splits. Your splits are the time between your shots. This helps you measure the time it takes to fire a shot, get back on target, and fire another shot. This can be very helpful to know how quickly you can fire accurately. The third way that a shot timer can help you measure your speed is by measuring your time to complete a course of fire. This would be some form of competition or an intensive drill that requires a lot of movement or multiple targets. A shot timer will measure how long it takes you to draw, shoot, and move to complete the course of fire. Time is so important in winning a gunfight. If you have never measured your speed in order to improve, then you need a shot timer. Check out the RangeTech shot timer in the link below. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one.